ClassLink's OneSync and Roster Server is a one-stop shop for account provisioning and maintenance of your internal systems.
With ClassLink Roster Server, we set up custom rules that make sure that the right students receive the right tools. Whatever type of mapping the vendor requires, ClassLink's there to meet them.
If we are dealing with a new vendor and they are already using the One Roster standard, it can be as little as 2 to 3 days, and we can have them onboarded and ready to go.
OneSync works with our student information system. Students, as soon as they're in the system within a few hours, their Google account and their Active Directory account has been created automatically, and the same goes for our staff.
OneSync has so much granularity to customize the data coming in and transforming that data so that I can make it work and flow exactly the way that I need it to.
From a rostering standpoint, ClassLink has saved an incredible amount of time.
It works consistently all the time. That makes me look good at my job.